A very pleasant evening to everyone. My name is Vinitha. I am from Abu Dhabi, one of the OET aspirants from Empowering Edu Skills. Thank you, Father Salim Joseph, giving opportunity to participate in today's 8 p.m. discussion. Today we are going to present listening part B. I am going to deal with question number 1. Before proceeding further, dear friends, please do remember before our practice, please go through the videos and please keep in mind to practice and each and every point. It is very helpful and it is very important before our practice. So once again I am saying, please do watch the videos. And also yesterday's evening discussion, it was very helpful, and Miss Vinci, she explained each strategies, father strategies very clearly. Each slide, it will help, very helpful. And please go through, those who are first time watching in the platform, please go through that slides and explanation also, it is very helpful. Today I am going to present question number 1. Let me read the context first. You hear an optometrist talking to a patient who is trying contact lenses for the first time. Now read the question. What is the patient concerned about? Answer options are A, his blurred vision. Answer option B, soreness in his eyes. And option C, how to remove the lens.
Now, you've had the lenses in for a few minutes. How are they feeling?
Not bad. I thought I'd feel them actually touching my eyes, that they'd be sore or prickly, but I can't feel much at all. My eyes do feel a bit watery though.
It's okay. You've just used too much solution. Now, in a few minutes, I'll get you to try taking them out and inserting them again by yourself.
I had no trouble taking them out earlier, but I'm not confident about putting them in. I worry I'll press too hard.
That's unlikely to happen.
Things look rather distorted though. I mean, I can't make out the letters on that chart.
Any of them?
Those lower down.
Let's give things another minute to settle down.
So let me read the script. Optometrist, now you have had the lens in for a few minutes. How are they feeling? Patient, not bad. I thought I would feel them actually touching my eyes, that they would be sore or prickly, but I can't feel much at all. My eyes do feel a bit watery though. Optometrist, it is okay, you have just used too much solution. Now in a few minutes I will get you to try taking them out and inserting them again by yourself. Patient, I had no trouble taking them out earlier, but I am not confident about putting them in. I worry I will press too hard. Optometrist, that is unlikely to happen. Patient, things look rather distorted though. I mean, I can't make out the letters on that chart. Optometrist, any of them? Patient, those lower down. Optometrist, let's give things another minute to settle down. So from this script and the question, we can conclude that the answer option A is correct, because in the last part of the script, the patient is concerned about that he can't make out the letters on that chart. That means he is worried about his visions, that he is expressing his concern as he cannot make out the letters on that chart. Especially optometrist, he is asking about any of them. So the patient is telling those lower down. That means he is focusing his concern about his blurred vision. So in that way I reach the answer option as option A, his blurred vision. And thank you so much. And once again I would like to remind you that all please go through the videos and the strategies father is explaining in that video. Like we have to focus on the keywords, question stem, keywords, and most important the things are, as the father informed, that the verb, noun, adjectives, those who are presenting in the question, it is very important to note down, and also the differences in the answer options. and also we have to focus on the scales been using in the script and model verbs and reference words. Also it is very helpful to reach the answer. Thank you so much. I hope everyone understood question number 1. If you have any doubt or clarification, end of this session we will help you to clear out the concerns. Thank you so much. Thank you once again to Empowering Army to giving opportunity to present the today's presentation. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for other aspirants, those who are participating in this 8 p.m. discussion. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Have a nice day for all of you. Thank you.